Sorry, you guys caught me combing my mustache there. I was just getting ready to make this amazing video that I'm going to put out for you guys on how I just hit $70,000 in our taxable brokerage account. We're also approaching $15,000 in our Roth IRA, so that brings our total account value to almost $85,000 in total. Just about 2.5 years ago, we started with only $3,000, and since then have grown that to now well over $80,000 in total. Now, in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at each one of my positions within my portfolio, both in the taxable and in the Roth IRA, talking you guys through my thesis with each one of these stocks and why I am continuing to hold, continuing to buy, or continuing to sell. Now, with so much to talk about in today's video, I don't want to waste any more time. So before we do jump into it, guys, please make sure you guys are liking and subscribing, as it really does help out the channel. We just hit 1,300 subscribers over here. Also 1,000 members in our premium Discord, which you guys can find linked in the bio. Also, we hit 15K on TikTok, and much like I've talked about here, 70K in the portfolio and approaching 15K in our taxable. So it has been one hell of a week for Milestone. So let's go ahead and jump right into it and check out my portfolio and our Roth. So jumping onto the portfolio here, you guys can see that we are at a whopping $70,198, up around $2,000 today. So we're looking absolutely amazing. We were up almost to $71,000 earlier today, up around $2,700. So it has been an absolutely amazing day. And as we do zoom out to the week here, you guys can see being up around 6.5% or around $4,267 on the week. We have also had an amazing week. Now, zooming out on the month, we are still up around $2,000, around 3.15%. And on the 3 month, we are now up 21% or around $13,000 in total. Crazy, crazy month here. And as we do zoom out to the year to date time frame, you guys can see we are severely outpacing the S&P 500, up almost 50% on the year or around $22,416 in total. It has been one hell of a year, and I cannot wait to see that 75 to 80 to 100% return by the end of this year. Now, I'm going to break you guys down exactly how we're planning to reach that 100% return. But before we do, I do want to show you guys that we do have some ETH here. We have about 3/4 of a total ETH here for a market value of around $3,000. We're pretty much break even on that. And then we have like 20 bucks in Bitcoin. Just want to put that out there. But let's go ahead and jump right into our stock holdings. Jumping into the first stock on today's list, we're going to have Robinhood Markets, currently coming in at around $15.50, up around 14% on the day following their S&P 500 inclusion on Friday. Now, taking a look at their year-to-date chart, it does get pretty crazy. They are up 200% year-to-date. This is insane to see for a company. Now, scrolling down here, you guys can see that we have caught most of this move. We've also sold out of over 150 shares, locking in over $10,000 in total profits. So please keep that in mind. But taking a look, we still have around 100 shares at an average price of $42.57. That leaves our market value at around $11,500 in total. Now, looking at our returns here, you guys can see, like I said, up around $1,500 today or around 14%. But in total returns, guys, we are up around $7,300 or around 170%. This is absolutely insane to see, and I do believe that Robinhood still has some ways to the upside, as I do think that this is a trillion-dollar company in the making. Now, they're currently sitting at around $100 billion in market cap, and I do have a full thesis outlined in our premium chat about why and how Robinhood is going to reach $1 trillion in market cap. But that is for another video, so let's go ahead and jump into our second holding on today's list. Jumping into our second stock on today's list, we are going to have Him and Hers. Now, the stock is currently sitting at around $50, but they are still down around $20 from all-time highs. So we have continued to buy into this stock. Now, today they were up around 5%, now sitting up around 2%. Big hoopla. Taking a look at our shares here, we have around 200 shares, like I said, I've been buying. Now bringing our average up to around $40.64. We're currently up around $1,700 right now, or around 21%. And like I said, I expect this company once again to reach $100 in share price by the end of the summer of 2026. Now, this is about a 12-month projection out, as we did just wrap up the summer. So by now in 2026, I do believe that we are going to see a 100% gain in share price. And that is not even very crazy to say, as the stock price is still up around 100%, even though we saw about 150% gains, then pull back to break even, then another 200% gain, then pull back, then another 100% gain, then pull back. Now I believe that we are about to do it again, and I cannot wait to rinse and repeat the stock for the fourth time now, making over 100%. Now, taking a look, like I said, we're up around $1,700 or 21%. Like I said, again, I do think that this is due to change, and I do think that we will see a triple digit next to that return percentage very, very soon. All right, boys, you know I could not wait to talk about Oscar Health. Here is Oscar Health coming in at $19.75. As we saw today, the stock price did break above $20 briefly, and then from there we got a little bit of a sell-off, but the share price is up over 40% in the last month, and year to date we are now up 44%. So taking a look at our share price here, we have around 750 shares at an average price of $15.30. That leaves us up around 30% on these shares so far for about a $3,500 gain in total. Now, we do own more shares here in the Roth IRA. We own around 250 more shares, bringing our total to around 1,000 for our main portfolio. And this brings our average cost to around $16.13, and we're up around $1,000 here in the Roth. So all said and done, like I said, we have about 1,000 shares, and we're up around $4,500 in total. I believe this is a $45 to $50 to $65 stock in the future. So this $15,000, $20,000 in total invested into the stock could easily exceed $60,000 to $100,000 here in the next 2 to 3 years. That would be absolutely insane to see, and I cannot wait to see the price continue to rally for Oscar Health. Jumping into stock number 4, I do have to pick up the pace a little bit, but we're going to have Zeta Global here, and we have around 750 shares of Zeta Global here in the taxable and about 100 shares over here in the Roth. Now, taking a look, we have around 750 shares at $15.22, bring our total return to around $2,700 or around 24%. Now, taking a look at the Roth, we do have around 100 shares, and our average there is around $16.26, so just a little bit higher, but we're still sitting on about a 15% return, around $250 in total profit so far. Now, like I said, I do have to breeze through these, but I do love Zeta Global. Please take a look at Zeta Global. They're one of the only companies in the market following the 40-40 rule. Other companies like that are Palantir, NVIDIA, TSM, SoFi. Great growth coming out of Zeta Global. Please check that out. All right, so the rest of our holdings are all holdings that we are currently DCAing into. So I am going to break all of these down in whole all together. Now, first here, we do have DLO, which I do have 120 shares of with a market value of around $1,600. Now, the current price is around $13.37. So we are down just a little bit, around $50, around 3%. Nothing too crazy. We're going to keep DCAing into this one. Much of the same with EOS here, where we do have around 300 shares of a market value of around $2,100. We're down around $100 right now, or about 5%. Once again, no big deal whatsoever. Now, as we do scroll down here, we do also own some Rocket Lab, where I have around 750 shares at an average price of around $47.59. So we are up just a little bit right now, about $83 or around 2.5%. And our total market value for this stock so far is around $3,567. I am looking to get over 100 shares of Rocket Lab coming soon, so stay tuned for that. I also have a video posted on all of the stocks in my portfolio somewhere within my YouTube channel, so please check that out. I have theses post for each one of these stocks that I hold here on my YouTube channel. Now, also jumping into Serve, we have around 250 shares of Serve, up around $15 or around 0.6%. Nothing crazy there. Sound, this is a very interesting company. I only got 100 shares in. I did want to buy more, but we are already up around 15.9% today, as the stock price is up over 7% today alone. And this brings my total return to about $205 in total. Lastly, we do have this UNH Leap, which I am looking to DCA into as well. We're down around $150 on it right now. No big deal. This is going to be played out into January of 2026, so I'm not too worried about that. Now, this is all of my holdings within my taxable brokerage account. So you guys can see that we are doing quite well as we do look at this open P&L right here. Up over 7,000 on Robinhood, up about 2,000 on HIMS, over 3,000 on Oscar, over 2,600 on Zeta. We are looking absolutely amazing. And guys, we have secured over $15,000 in realized profits this year. So that is a very important stat when I look at my portfolio. Realizing those profits and being able to flip them into larger positions, which is what we are doing currently. As we are currently sitting on around $5,000 in cash, we are going to be DCAing and buying these dips up heavy. Now, wrapping up this video, I do want to show you guys what is in the Roth IRA, as the current Roth IRA is sitting at around $14,170. Now, taking a look at the weekly time frame, we're up around 8%. On the monthly time frame, we're up around 16%, around $2,000 in total. So it has been a great month. But taking a look here at UNH, which is our top holding within this Roth IRA, you guys can see as I scroll down here, we have around 20 shares at an average price of $271, and we're up about $1,000 so far, or around 17.17%. This is a great return, and I am expecting this to reach over $10,000 in total market value by the end of this year. I do think that UNH is going to regain around $400 to $450 by the end of this year. And yes, that is ambitious, but once this company gets moving, it is not going to stop, guys. Mark my words, this company will be back over $400 by the end of this year. Now, also, I do want to show you guys my position in Open, which is a bit of a speculative stock right now, but I really do like the way that this thing is shaping up. So taking a look here, Open is currently at $6.21. I'm actually going to go back and buy some shares right now, but the share price is looking to bounce right at this price that I am predicting, and I'm up around $182 so far, or about 18%. And our average price is around $5.26 on 190 shares. Guys, this is a speculative play, but we're up a little bit, so we're going to play with some profits here. Year to date, this company is up 282%. And over the last 3 months, this company is up almost 1,000%, which is pretty crazy to even see or say. But taking a look, I do think that once rate cuts come in, Open Door can see over $10. So it is a very intriguing stock in my mind. Now, if you guys do remember, I do have those Oscar and Zeta shares in my Roth IRA as well. I'm not going to go over those again because we have already seen them. So this is my total Roth IRA holdings with UNH, Oscar, Zeta, and now Open Door. Now, it has been an absolutely amazing week for milestones. We hit 70K in the taxable brokerage. We hit 14K in the Roth IRA. We hit 15K over on TikTok, 1,300 subscribers here on YouTube, and over 1,000 members on our Discord. Guys, it has been absolutely amazing, and I have no one else to thank but you. Thank you for showing up every single day. Thank you for showing support, and thank you for believing in me and my plays. Guys, it means so, so much to me. You do not even imagine. But thank you guys. That was my full portfolio. If you guys want to see more videos, there is going to be 2 videos on each side of me right here. Please check those out, and I will see you guys in the next video.